Look at this. How beautiful does that look? And even more so, there's nothing on the counter, which I absolutely love. So I have partnered with Docking Drawer, which is a company that creates these duo built-in outlets so you can get stuff off of your counters. And I have been wanting something like this forever. So of course we're just about to move and our buyer is going to be able to enjoy this, but we will for sure be putting these in at our new house. The best part is it's super modern. So there's 2 regular plugs, 2 USB-C plugs, and then 4 regular USB plugs. So my new iPad, I don't even need the block because there's 2 charging cords for that. I am so excited about this.